Samsung already started working on Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you're all doing well. Samsung Galaxy S23 will be a big update compared to the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. It is well over a month now since S22 Ultra was launched, but nothing too impressive comes along with the S22 Ultra except Note 20 Ultra design. But Samsung is going big with Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and Samsung already started testing S23 Ultra. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will set to launch in February 2023 since S21 was launched in January and S22 in Feb. Although there is an ongoing chip shortage and S22 Ultra is already suffering with it, but hopefully it will be fixed with Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and we get the phone on time. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra inside code is also revealed and it is going to be big. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below which feature you would like to see in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. According to Ross Young on his official Twitter account, the Samsung's Project Diamond is for S23 lineup and it is not for a third foldable phone. It was rumored before that there may be a rollable phone this year with a codename Diamond, but it is now confirmed that Samsung is working on Galaxy S23 Ultra alongside Galaxy Z Fold 4, which is going to be released this year somewhere in August. Which brings us to what we are thinking about the Samsung Galaxy S23. According to the leak, Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra may comes with the UDC under-display camera that Samsung will use this year in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. Now if S23 Ultra testing is started alongside with the Galaxy Z Fold 4, which means this news is going to be true and we're all going to get UDC in S23 Ultra. But my only concern is normal selfie camera is far more better than the UDC. Let's see how Samsung will tackle this issue and bring the best out of Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. And Samsung is also working on the Galaxy S23 Ultra back camera, where we may see 200 megapixel main lens in Galaxy S23 Ultra, although Samsung already revealed the 200 megapixel camera. And the most obvious update, Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will going to have the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. But exciting thing, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 will going to come with the X70 modem that Qualcomm introduced, which has a built-in AI system and can produce 10 gigabit per second speed on 5G and 61% more power efficiency compared to the previous generations. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra launch is far ahead, but we are started getting news regarding it. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below which feature you would like to see in the Galaxy S23 Ultra. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.